Good morning, I am Dr. Snehal Reddy, consultant gynecologist from ARC Fertility Center, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. So today we'll talk about secondary infertility. Most of the infertility people, subfertility. ఒకరు పుట్టిన తర్వాత చాలా ఏళ్ళు అవుతుంది, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years తర్వాత they come saying first time we conceive naturally within 1 year of marriage, but second time it is being very difficult for us to conceive. What could be the reason? ఆ టైంలో semen analysis చేయించుకోమన్నా కూడా most of the male partners they back off from the treatment, or they say first time we got a natural pregnancy, why semen analysis, mine would be fine. That would not be the case. See, your body is changing. Meeru first time when you might have got pregnant, you might have been 25 years. Now you've been waited for a longer time. Now you may be 30-35 years. Your egg count might have come down. So what could be the reasons? ఏమేమి అయి ఉండొచ్చు ఇప్పుడు సెకండ్ ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ రావట్లేదు రీజన్స్ అంటే, ఫస్ట్ ట్యూబల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. ఆఫ్టర్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ చాలా మందికి ట్యూబ్ బ్లాక్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ప్రెగ్నెన్సీయే కాదు, ఈవెన్ ఫస్ట్ టైం అబార్షన్ అయిన తర్వాత డిఎన్సీ ప్రొసీజర్స్ అయ్యాయి అన్నప్పుడు ట్యూబల్ బ్లాక్ అనేది చాలా కామన్. ఆర్ ఆఫ్టర్ ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ యూ మైట్ హ్యావ్ had endometriosis, or you might have been diagnosed with endometriosis, some unseen conditions. Sperm count తగ్గిండొచ్చు for the male partner. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే ఏజ్ might have been more than 35. మీరు ఫస్ట్ టైం కన్సీవ్ అయినప్పుడు you might have been less than 30 to late 20s ఏజ్లో ఉండుండొచ్చు. హార్మోనల్ చేంజెస్. ఆఫ్టర్ ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ we gain weight. During pregnancy we gain weight. After pregnancy we gain weight. Our fitness is not good after pregnancy due to n number of reasons, because motherhood is not easy. You have to take care of the child, you have to take care of yourself, and in that time you will leave about nutrition, everything, and because of that you might have had hormonal changes. PCOD వచ్చే అవకాశాలు ఉన్నాయి, బికాస్ PCOD ఈజ్ మెయిన్లీ అ లైఫ్ స్టైల్ డిజీజ్. అండ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ PCOD మీకు సైకిల్స్ ఇరెగ్యులర్ అవ్వడము, లేదంటే యానోవులేషన్ ప్రాబ్లం అంటే ఓవులేటే అవ్వకపోవడము, ఇలాంటివి జరుగుతుండొచ్చు. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ ప్రెగ్నెన్సీ తర్వాత ఆల్కహాల్ ఎక్కువ తీసుకోవడము, స్మోకింగ్ ఎక్కువ చేయడము, ఇలాంటి హ్యాబిట్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సెకండ్ టైం కన్సీవ్ అవ్వడం అనేది కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో వాట్ కెన్ వీ డూ ఫర్ దిస్ ఈజ్, first, lifestyle changes. After pregnancy, get back to your fitness. I won't say 6 months, 1 year. Whenever possible, whenever you think the kid is turning, or you can hand over the kid for 1 hour, take 1 hour for yourself. Get back to your fitness, do your exercises. It is good for your mental health as well as your overall health and fertility. If advised by a doctor, get a sperm count done, your semen analysis done, it would be helpful. And whenever you're planning for a second pregnancy, you think you've been trying for a year now, and you're not being pregnant for the second time, even if you're regular on your periods and everything is fine, get your tubes checked. So if your tubes are checked, what do we do for the tube test is the HSG or SSG test. Get it checked. If that is also fine, you can definitely go ahead with, you just find out what is happening inside. Do you have PCOS or any hormonal changes? We'll just get all those treated, and then you can conceive naturally. If that is not happening naturally, you can just go for ovulation induction, or we just say just take a few tablets for your eggs to grow, and you can try naturally, and you might get pregnant for the second time too. Thank you.